What's up, y'all? It's Coleman here for my self-demo. I'm going to be talking about ice baths, why they're beneficial, and how long you should be staying in them. So let's talk a little bit about the benefits of taking an ice bath. For guys, it's actually proven to boost testosterone, as obviously the cold temperature is going to shock the system, really raise those endorphins, and shoot them up into the brain system. It's also known to boost mood, reduce pain and inflammation, which is why it's so useful for athletes, as well as people that are dealing with nicks and crannies and stuff like that, that is really dealing with their motion. Now, it's very important when you're doing these ice baths, stay in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you stay in there longer, you're going to the ER, okay? But however, today we're going to be testing the threshold of an ice bath. We're going to be staying in there past the 10-minute mark and seeing the effects of what just happens to Coleman here. I'm not looking forward to it. Ice ready to go. Let's get in the tub. What's up? What's up? Here in the Oaks 2 bathroom. It's dirty. Nobody cares. Let's get back into ice baths. So let's get a little bit more into the history of ice baths. They've actually been implemented worldwide by athletes, coaches, organizations. Useful, beneficial. They'll actually be implemented post-practice, and in some cases are now being used pre-practice and post-practice, kind of shock the muscles. And believe it or not, this is actually introduced and paved the new therapy called cryotherapy. You'll actually sit down in a very cold sub-temperature room, shocks the muscles, and when you get out, all that blood really starts to flow, and that's what helps reduce that inflammation and pain. So, like we said, fellas, you're supposed to stay in an ice bath from 5 to 10 minutes. We have 40 pounds of pure ice from the gas station here, courtesy of Kerrville. We're going to be getting in it. Y'all stay tuned and we'll be right back. Entry point of the ice bath. You see the ice is melted here, but it's cold. It's cold. You got it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, just down into it goes, down into it, yep, down into it, nothing in the pockets, we're good to go. Here we go, Dr. Coleman for you. So really, right out of the bat, I can definitely feel it shock the system. What you want to do is control the breathing, in and out, and this is where it really just kind of gets easier. Your body gets adjusted to the temperature, but the immediate shock is definitely not something to play with. This is the entry point. We'll be back at the 10-minute mark when we're supposed to be getting out of this thing.
So this is us getting out of the ice bath after 30 minutes, way past the 10-minute threshold. I don't recommend doing this. This is a terrible idea. As far as taking a regular 10-minute ice bath, I definitely would recommend it. But what I saw within my 30 minutes of staying in there was a lost feeling in my feet and hands. Skin turned blue and gray. My body just began to feel really stiff, and I began to shake for about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes afterwards, and I just could not get a full sentence out. It was very scary, so I don't recommend staying in there past your 10 minutes. I hope you guys gained something from this, and I really appreciate y'all watching.